Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are exploring Al-Qahaar, beautiful Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Al-Qahaar is the ever-dominating one who has surrounded all his creation from without and within with his irresistible power. Nothing can escape him. The worlds and the heavens bow their heads before him. How many universes, peoples, and nations has he destroyed in punishment? Allah counters his attribute of Al-Qahaar with his attribute of Al-Latif. They are within each other. He has also created causes and means that separate his punishing, destructive force from his delicate, loving fineness, Al-Latif. He has created the means of faith, sincerity, justice, compassion, generosity, wisdom, and other beautiful characteristics in which the light of Al-Latif shines. He has created the causes upon rebellion, denial, arrogance, ignorance, tyranny, and hypocrisy, upon which the darkness of his terror is reflected. Try to find the things of these ascending and descending causes, and these two mirrors, one full of light, the other of darkness, in and around you. We take refuge from Allah Al-Qahaar in Allah Al-Latif. So who is Abdul Qahaar? Abdul Qahaar is the one who is given the power to obliterate tyranny. The greatest tyranny that people suffer is from our evil commanding ego. And Abdul Qahaar is able to enslave that tyrant. None can influence nor overcome him. Such a person becomes all-powerful to execute that which is right. So if a person with a sincere wish in his heart to free himself from the domination of this commanding self or the commanding ego, and from overwhelming worldly ambition, remembers and recites Ya Qaharu as often as he can, he may become able to control his ego. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.